Deep within the wetlands of East Africa lives one of the world's most unusual birds. The shoebill is famous for its massive beak and calm, patient behavior. It can remain motionless for several minutes while watching the water carefully. When prey comes close enough, the shoebill reacts instantly. Its long legs allow it to move quietly through shallow wetlands. Instead of singing like most birds, the shoebill communicates using a loud clattering sound made by its beak. Hidden within Africa's remote wetlands, the shoebill continues to live largely unseen by the modern world.